Hello, my name is Casey Loomis, and in this video I will show you the features of my RDI Calculator Demo application. The RDI Calculator is a demo application meant to show you how your recommended daily intake of nutrients, RDI, can be met by simply choosing the foods you're willing to eat. When clicking the Accounts menu, you will notice there are 3 accounts in the RDI Calculator application. The Jack and Jane accounts are pre-configured, and each demonstrates a different situation for the RDI Calculator. The user-defined account allows you to choose your foods and account settings so you can explore what the RDI Calculator can do. The food data table lists all of the foods available to eat. The Eaten column holds how much of the foods has been or will be eaten. The columns Amount and Measurement define the quantity of a single serving. The Serving Allowed column defines the maximum number of servings allowed for each food in a given serving set, given its food group. The Food Group column defines the food's food group. It will be unknown if it can't be determined. The food's food group defines the amount and measurement of that specific food. The Nutrient Data table lists the nutrient data of all foods eaten. The Target column defines the minimum amount of nutrient that must be reached in order to meet the RDI target. The Total column lists the total amount of each nutrient, given the foods eaten so far. The percent column shows how close the nutrient is from meeting the RDI minimum, from meeting the RDI target. The Required Minimum column defines if the nutrient has a required minimum or if it must be met. If this is set to no, then the RDI calculator will not try to provide a minimum amount of the nutrient. When values in the Eaten column change, values in the Nutrient Data table totals and percent columns change. For example, when you set Milk's Eaten column to 2, as we're doing now, notice that the potatoes and cabbage have the same food group and similar measurements. Both are cup. Notice that the amount of either food is different. Because potatoes has half the amount compared to cabbage, it has twice the value of servings allowed. This makes it so that the serving size of both vegetable will be the same by volume. Editing the Amount column will affect the values in the Eaten and Serving Allowed column respectively, in order to maintain the correct volume food. Changing the amount value will also change the volume of a food's servings, which may change what food the RDI calculator will suggest. Notice that the current suggested food is cereal oats. If you set the Milk Amount column to 2, you will notice, as we're doing now, column to 2, you will notice the Eaten column changes to 1. Serving Allowed changes to 1.5, and suggested food changes to milk. Editing the Measurement column will also affect the values in the Eaten and Serving Allowed column of this for the same reason. If you set the Milk Measurement column to fluid ounces, notice Eaten changes to 16 and Serving Allowed changes to 24. There are some cases where food has duplicate values in the Measurement column, which is the case for cereal oats. if you click Cereal Oats Measurement column, notice that 1.0 cups and 0.333 cups entries. The RDI calculator differentiates between the two duplicate measures by adding the amount to the front of the measurement entry. Clicking Reset undoes all changes.